Jellyfish have existed for over 500 million years, long before the dinosaurs roamed the Earth. These creatures are as mesmerizing as they are deadly, employing fascinating techniques to hunt and survive in the ocean's depths. Despite their delicate appearance, jellyfish are master hunters, using specialized adaptations to capture and consume their prey, which includes tiny sea creatures like plankton, fish, and sometimes even other jellyfish. The early life of a jellyfish. The life cycle of a jellyfish is as remarkable as its hunting tactics. It all begins when a fertilized egg undergoes a series of cell divisions, quickly developing into a free-swimming larval stage. This tiny creature, known as a planula, eventually settles on the ocean floor, where it develops into a polyp, a sedentary form that looks like a miniature tree. The polyp can reproduce asexually, creating multiple clones of itself, each eventually maturing into a new jellyfish. It doesn't take long for these new jellyfish to start hunting. Within weeks of their development, jellyfish polyps have the ability to sting, a trait they share with other members of the Nemataria group like corals and sea anemones. These early stings, although not yet lethal, are enough to disable small prey, which the jellyfish will consume once fully developed. The anatomy of a deadly hunter. A jellyfish's body is a complex structure designed for both propulsion and predation. Most jellyfish are composed of a soft, translucent substance that makes them nearly invisible in the water. Their bodies are primarily made up of a gelatinous substance that allows them to float gracefully while hunting. But don't let their ethereal appearance fool you. Jellyfish are built for hunting, with specialized structures that make them formidable predators. At the core of a jellyfish's hunting strategy are its tentacles. These long, slender appendages are covered with stinging cells called nematocysts, which contain venom. The nematocysts are not triggered by movement in the water, but by direct contact. When prey comes into contact with the tentacles, these cells fire off, releasing venom that paralyzes or kills the victim. The venomous stingers function like microscopic harpoons. Upon contact, the nematocyst releases a sharp barb that pierces the skin of the prey. As the tentacles unfurl, the venom begins to work its magic, paralyzing the target, making it easy for the jellyfish to drag its prey into its mouth. This method of capturing food is highly effective, and it's often described as a rapid, explosive movement, akin to a predator striking with deadly precision. Jellyfish propulsion and hunting strategy. Jellyfish are not passive hunters that simply wait for food to come to them. Instead, they use a unique form of locomotion to actively seek out prey. Their body structure is designed to move efficiently through the water, using a process known as jet propulsion. The jellyfish's bell, the large umbrella-shaped part of its body, contains two types of muscles that work together to create movement. One set of muscles contracts, expelling water from the bell, which pushes the jellyfish forward. The other set of muscles allows the bell to relax, pulling water back in and causing the jellyfish to propel forward again. This combination of contractions and relaxations results in a pulsing motion that drives the jellyfish through the water. Interestingly, jellyfish do not rely on fins or other appendages like most fish. Instead, they rely on the interaction of water and their bell's movement to create what is known as vortex rings. These rings are swirls of water that help generate thrust while propelling the jellyfish toward its prey. This form of propulsion is highly efficient. Unlike fish, which need to expend significant amounts of energy to swim, jellyfish expend very little energy due to their simple muscular structure. Their bell acts like a spring that quickly returns to its original shape after each contraction, making their movement economical and precise. The upside-down jellyfish and its unique hunting methods. Among the many species of jellyfish, the upside-down jellyfish, Cassiopeia, stands out for its ingenious hunting method. Unlike other jellyfish, which swim to capture their food, the upside-down jellyfish stays anchored to the seafloor, using its unique position to feed efficiently. This species has adapted to a stationary lifestyle by turning itself upside down and using the surrounding currents to bring food directly to its mouth. One of the most fascinating aspects of the upside-down jellyfish's hunting technique is its symbiotic relationship with photosynthetic algae. The jellyfish's oral arms, which are lined with stinging cells, also incorporate these algae, which produce food through photosynthesis. As the jellyfish collects food from the algae, it also uses the currents to capture small particles of plankton and other food sources that are swept toward its mouth. Additionally, the oral arms of the upside-down jellyfish release mucus that contains caseosomes, small mobile particles equipped with stinging cells. These tiny grenades help paralyze the jellyfish's prey, ensuring that the jellyfish can feed on it at its leisure. Vision and navigation in box jellyfish. While many jellyfish rely solely on their stinging tentacles to capture prey, some species, such as the box jellyfish, have developed remarkable vision that helps them hunt. Box jellyfish are equipped with specialized structures called rhopalia, which contain clusters of eyes. While most jellyfish have simple light-sensitive cells, the box jellyfish possesses true image-forming eyes, allowing it to navigate the ocean and actively hunt for food. The box jellyfish uses its vision to detect changes in light intensity as it swims near the surface of the water. It can even navigate through mangrove channels by recognizing patterns in the light coming from above, which helps it locate the most abundant hunting grounds. This ability to see and respond to visual cues allows the box jellyfish to be a more active hunter compared to other jellyfish species that rely primarily on their stinging cells. The role of jellyfish in the marine ecosystem. Jellyfish are not just predators, they also play a critical role in the marine food web. Their hunting methods help control populations of plankton, fish, and other small organisms, maintaining the balance of the ecosystem. In some cases, jellyfish even serve as a food source for other animals, such as certain fish, sea anemones, and even crabs. One of the most interesting relationships is between jellyfish and juvenile fish, such as the juvenile jackfish. These fish are known to swim alongside jellyfish, using the jellyfish for protection while occasionally feeding on small creatures that the jellyfish captures. This mutualistic relationship benefits both parties, with the juvenile fish avoiding predators and the jellyfish receiving occasional nourishment from its companions. Despite their seemingly simple appearance, jellyfish are highly effective hunters, using a combination of venomous stingers, efficient propulsion, and sometimes even vision to track and capture prey. Their hunting strategies are a testament to nature's ability to adapt and innovate, ensuring that these ancient creatures continue to thrive in the world's oceans. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.